In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Hostgator cPanel using a simple beginner-friendly process. If you're new to web hosting or you just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly so you can access your dashboard without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Hostgator website. You can do this by typing hostgator.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll see different hosting plans and services, but for now, your focus is the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on it to move to the login page. Here, enter your email and password. These are the same credentials you used when creating your Hostgator account. If you ever forget your password, Hostgator provides a reset option right below the login fields. After signing in, you'll arrive at your main account dashboard where all your hosting services and details are organized. Next, look for the menu option labeled Websites. Click on it and your hosting plan and connected domains will appear. Under your website section, you'll see a button named Settings. Select this to open your hosting configuration page where you can adjust various preferences. Inside this page, you'll notice another tab labeled Advanced. This is where Hostgator stores the more technical tools and features. Go ahead and click Advanced to continue. Now you will see the cPanel option displayed clearly on the screen. Select it and Hostgator will automatically redirect you to the full cPanel interface without needing to enter any additional login details. Once the cPanel dashboard opens, you'll have access to all the tools you need to manage your website. This includes file management, domain controls, email accounts, databases, metrics, security options, and much more. Take a moment to explore the layout so you become familiar with where things are. The more comfortable you are with cPanel, the easier it becomes to manage and grow your website. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. You visited Hostgator's website, logged in through your account dashboard, went to your website settings, opened the Advanced tab, and finally accessed your cPanel with a single click. Once you know where everything is, the entire process becomes smooth and effortless. Thank you for following along. I hope this walkthrough helped you feel confident about accessing your Hostgator cPanel. If you're working on building your site, setting up email, installing WordPress, or managing domains, you'll find everything you need right inside cPanel. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more simple, clear lessons that will help you manage your website like a pro. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.